Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install HWPO training app on your mobile phone. HWPO means Hard Work Pays Off, which provides various workout program which helps in your fitness journey. To download it, make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Now open your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar, search for HWPO training app, and as a result you can see the app here, HWPO training app. Click on the app and over here click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet connection. You can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to use the app for your fitness journey. The app is ready to use. You can either log in or sign in to enjoy its features. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.